Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the series of videos regarding the SendPulse pop-up service. And today we're digging even deeper into the list of the elements which are available for you to use in the pop-up constructor. And today we're going to be talking about NPS. NPS, or Net Promoter Score, is the element which we're kind of working for a long time on, and it provides you with the ability to gather rating of your website. So literally gathering the real quality feedback from the viewers of your website or your service users. So let's just dig into it. We'll add the pop-up. Do not want to build the pop-up from scratch because we do have templates for that. So we'll just use the pre-built template. I like the horizontal one because it's kind of authentic. And that is what you see on the screen is literally the question, which is kind of branded by the NPS company, because they do have a company for that. And the question is, how likely are you to recommend the service to your friends and family? And like 10 digits to actually choose from. If you want to know more about the NPS, you might want to Google for it because there is lots of information on the internet about that matter. So let's just have a look on the NPS survey element. It's like here there is in the list, and here it is added to the pop-up. Let's just open it up and see what's that. First of all, again, we want to save the rating results to some variable in the CRM. So I guess I do have a created variable called NPS. I'll choose that. If you don't have one, you just hit add variable and you add one. So we'll choose NPS, and now let's go through some settings of it. So the display title is literally the title for the NPS. Let's turn it off again. We can align the content of the NPS in the block. We can choose the design of the NPS because the original one is digits from 1 to 10. But according to what we saw, lots of websites like using like different types of rating system. So we have 1 to 5, 1 to 3, like or dislike, and you can choose the emoji for that. You can use hearts if that fits your style. You can use just like list of emojis, so different ones, or just like literal stars. Yeah, there they are. I've chosen the wrong color for that. So, but we'll stick to 1 to 10 because that is the authentic one. That's the original one. We can also display the instructions for those who do not know what's 1 and what's 10. It's like from very poor to excellent. We can set up the names for both options here. Let's hide that. And we can allow comments for the NPS. That is a pretty great feature because you want to receive feedback. You got to appreciate the feedback while working with your customers on literally working with the NPS. The command section will be called the same way you call the variable plus the underline com will be added to the name of the variable. You do not have to choose the separate variable to store this command. And you can play around with the size of the command field. That's pretty much it for the settings, but that's not even closely it as for the settings of the whole pop-up that contains the NPS. There are two options to gather the rating through the NPS element in pop-up service and CRM. You can create the personalized rating. All you want to do is just add the email address to know who exactly rated you with what, like number or digits or rating. Or else you can literally erase that block from here. And in this case, what you will receive in the CRM is a contact which will have a name saying unknown contact, and all you will receive is the rating. Because for the anonymous rating, you do not want to gather any kind of like additional information, because that kind of may somehow scare your customers away who do not want to reveal their identity, etc., etc. So that's what you see on the screen is like the easiest way to gather the rating for your website and to gather the feedback. That's pretty much it. Let's start. Let's hit next. Let's have a look at the pop-up we've just created. We'll save that and publish. Now let's go ahead and see how that works. So there it is. We'll rate our website 10, of course. We'll hit send, and the rating just flew. Let's go back. Now, For the analytics and for the working methods or options with those numbers, you can now go to analytics of your pop-up or your project, and you will see that you have a 100% score in NPS. That's a really great score, which is pretty much unreachable for lots of companies, but I do believe you're the guys who will reach that score. How the NPS is counted, again, just go for it and Google for it, because the formula is pretty simple, and I don't want to waste time explaining that. So for the project, for the actual website you've added to the pop-up service, you will be able to gather the NPS and actually see it counted in the analytics. So you literally do not need anything more than that to understand how satisfied your customers with your service are. Now let's go ahead and hit CRM button. We'll be able to go from here to contacts. And there, as I said previously, the contact has no email address or phone number, because we deleted the entry field gathering the email address from the pop-up. So the contact is now called unknown contact, and there is the NPS variable, which says 10. You will now be able, through the CRM, you will be able to filter the contacts for the promoters, demoters, retractors, and neutrals, and set your marketing strategy with those people accordingly. You'll be able to appreciate the comments. You will be able to reply to the ones who kind of retracted the NPS from you, and work with that on this matter. As for the NPS and the block of the NPS itself, that's pretty much it. I told you about the design and all the stuff which is available in the NPS block. So if you have any further questions regarding this block or any other blocks, other elements, drop us the comment in the section below. Hit like, subscribe, and see you again next time. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.